Yeah, hi, in today's video we're going to be looking at a site called Digiopinion, and we're going to be finding out the truth about it, whether you can actually earn money just by giving your opinion with surveys and questions, etc. So we will be going through onto the website very shortly and finding out and doing a full Digiopinion review, so then you can obviously make up your own mind on whether it is something that you're going to want to actually pursue or not bother with. Okay, so without further ado, let's jump across and we'll go through Digiopinion. Okay, so we've come on to the Digiopinion website here, and it says here, get paid for your opinion, improved products and services by sharing your opinion about them, and earn by doing just that. Now, as you can see here, I've got the United Kingdom up, and as you can see, if I scroll across where it says the country, we have loads of other different countries that come up. So this is available near enough worldwide, guys. So you could actually join this and obviously participate in your country. So all you have to do is literally go to the sign up now button here and then sign up, give a few bits of information. You will then have to verify your email, so make sure you give a valid email address, otherwise you won't be able to join. Then confirm your email and then you are good to go. And we'll be going into the back of Digiopinion very shortly and finding out exactly what the inside looks like. So how it works is obviously you sign up for free, you pick your surveys and answer to the questions, and you collect your money. They do actually pay out via PayPal as well, which is a good thing. And they don't use points, okay? So there's no points or calculations, straight out cash rewards. Available bonus surveys on demand, it says. It says you can access the platform from any device, so mobile, desktop or tablet. So if you've only got a mobile, you'll still be able to use this site. And also what is good, actually at the bottom here, they actually give you the address of the company. Now this is only a company, a site that's been going a little while, so to have that actual address there of the company that are involved in it is a real good plus, because a lot of these places don't actually give you that information. And as you can see, I actually went and looked up the information. This is their address there, and it says here this is the company, and they've been established since 2012, so totally legit company. I also whizzed across to who.is, and it says here on their website, about their website, that it was actually registered back in 2016, but is actually updated in 2022, just a couple of months ago. So like I say, this is a pretty new website out here, so it's something you could possibly jump on and obviously start earning some money. So let's go into the website and find out exactly more about Digiopinion. Now, once you get into Digiopinion, this is what you're going to find. This is your overview, and this is obviously your current earnings, and it says here redeemed via PayPal. Now it says obviously I'm in the UK, so we're using the pounds, and as it says here, you can, when you reach £10, you can then cash out your earnings just by pressing the button above. It also says here that I can give my friends £1, and I'll get £1 to everyone who signs up under this link. Now there is a referral link. I have actually left a link under this video in the description. If you did want to give Digiopinion a go, then obviously it looks like you're going to get £1 just by using the link below. So that should be pretty good for you, gets you up and running. Now, as you can also see here, it says I've got one survey available. It says it's a 20-minute survey, and I'm going to get 20 pence for actually doing it, which is not a lot for a 20-minute survey. Now, according to other people, they have got better surveys. Now, this will vary depending on country to country. Now, it could be that the UK is not a very good country for some of the surveys and that. As you can see, I can only get one available so far. It also says here to check out. So if you check here, this will tell you whether there's any other surveys available. And as you can see, another one has come up. So we've got 17 pence for this one, and that's a 15-minute survey. And I've only just joined the site, guys, so it could be that these surveys are starting to drip through, and this could mean that there's going to be more available to me as we go through. So again, check that out in the country you live, and obviously let us know whether you are getting loads of surveys through, or whether you are very limited on the surveys and that you can actually earn from. What you do get from Digiopinion is they will actually drop you an email as to when a survey is available for you. So you haven't got to keep coming back checking here. You can just go to your obviously email address, and if you get your emails through sent to your phone, etc., then you're going to get notified when there's a new survey in here. Now, obviously, taking the surveys are pretty easy. Just click on the Take Survey here, and then just start to fill in the details. And these times, 15 minutes, 20 minutes, they are pretty accurate. Now, being that obviously Digiopinion is a fairly new site, I did go over to Trustpilot, and they have actually claimed their profile. So another great thing there that they've actually done. They have had 86 reviews so far, and it does say poor. And that's my only concern is, so I think a lot of people are saying that they don't get many surveys to complete, and also sometimes they go through and then they are told that they have got enough responses, etc., for this survey. I'm going to obviously go into Digiopinion a little bit more and find out whether this is true, or whether you can actually get surveys completed on time. What you probably will have to do is if you get an email through, you'll have to jump on it fairly quick, and because like I say, there will be a percentage of people that they actually want to take the survey. Once they've hit that, obviously it's not going to be available again. So if you do get an email through, then jump on it straight away and go and check it out. But all in all, guys, it's another one that you could add to your list. If you're doing surveys online, like I say, if you do 5-10 of these accounts every month, then you could earn $200-300 quite easily if you work these really hard. So be sure to check out Digiopinion. Give us your opinion by commenting below what you think it is. Obviously, the jury's out a little bit on me at the moment. I've only got 2 surveys. Both of those are quite low paid for quite a bit of time. But we'll check it out. Do go further into it and find out whether we can actually obviously make it worth our time or not. And obviously, if you've done so as well, let us know in the comment which country you're from, and whether it's going to be worth your time, etc. as well. Okay, I trust you found that useful and interesting. If you did, smash up the like button for us. Don't forget to watch these videos next. And if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, and then you will get notified every time we make a new video. That's it for today. We will see you on the next video.